In this video, we'll show you how to use the AI-powered automatic segmentation tool in CS3D Imaging Premium. You can access this tool from any tab in the software, with any CBCT volume size and resolution. Here, we're launching it from the Curve tab. Before we begin, there's one important point. To get tooth identification and numbering, you'll need to align the intraoral scan with the CBCT volume. This alignment can be done either before or after segmentation. Once you start the tool, a visual indicator lets you know that the segmentation is running. It works in the background, so you can keep working while it processes. For example, you can go ahead and run automatic arch tracing and mandibular nerve detection simultaneously. When the segmentation is complete, the segmented objects will automatically appear in the object panel on the left. To make things easier to see, the CBCT volume opacity is reduced automatically. You can adjust the visibility and transparency of each object whenever you want. From the 3D view, you can easily show or hide CBCT volume rendering. Now, to get the tooth numbering, let's align the intraoral scan. Here, we're selecting the maxillary arch. Once the alignment is done, after a fast processing, the teeth are automatically identified and numbered. You'll find the full list in the object panel, where each tooth can be shown or hidden individually. Be sure to verify the numbering using the dedicated edit function. Adjustments can be made directly if necessary. All changes are automatically synchronized with the automated crown and implant placement tools. In this example, you'll notice that the impacted wisdom teeth in the maxillary region aren't numbered. That's because they weren't included in the intraoral scan. They appear as undefined in the object list. Finally, you can export all segmented objects as STL files for use in other software, depending on your clinical needs. This gives you one STL file per anatomical structure, including each individual tooth, along with a single combined file containing all segmented parts.